Hey guys, Alex here, and I'm doing a city review. That first picture will spawn, and next to it there's a beach. Yeah. And then after this pic, there's a quarry next to spawn actually. So there's a coal right there, so you can get it. And there's mushrooms right there, so start a mushroom farm for you guys. And then later there's sugarcane. There's a close-up pic for that. Don't worry guys. And there's a snow biome. Yeah, that's really cool, but there's also something cool. There's a mountain, and then later there's a hill with snow on it. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's weird. And then there's that weird structure right there, and this is how it looks under it. Yeah, it's pretty much cool. But I hope you guys enjoy the seed. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's gonna be in the description. And see you later, guys.